Brother Anas, could you tell me something about yesterday activities? What did you do yesterday?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Yes,
After that, I brushed my teeth and took bath.
yes,
Then I performed Fajr Salah. Then having had my breakfast, I completed my homework.
very good.
After that, I went to school. At 6 o'clock, I returned home. After that, I took rest. Then I went to English speaking classes. At 9 o'clock, I returned home. Uh, Having had my dinner, I watched YouTube videos for some time.
Okay,
Then I went to bed and slept.
okay, very good. Uh, what do you do in your free time?
Yes, sir. On my free time,
In my free time,
in my free time, I always spend time with my family members like my father, my mother, and sister. Moreover, I watch YouTube videos like educational video and gaming videos.
educational videos and gaming videos. Very good.
And lastly, I talk with my little sister.
Okay, how old is she? She is 9 years old,
Uh, she
thir-
is
13,
7 years old.
7 years old. Okay. For how long has your father been working in Mumra?
My father has been working in Mumbai since 2003.
Right. Is your father a teacher?
Yes, my father is a teacher.
When does your father go to work?
Uh, my father goes to work at 7 o'clock.
Okay. Could you tell me something about your father in English?
My father's name is Irfan. He is 39 years old. He is a teacher in TMC school. He is MA BEd and DEd. He has been teaching since 2003, and he is very kind and humble in nature, and he always preferred to help needy. He is very interested in languages. Last year he got best teacher award.
That's great, man. Outstanding. Uh, what does your father do in his free time? Does he read books or does he watch YouTube videos or prank videos? Okay.
Yes, sir. My father does lots of things.
Okay.
First of all, my father always spend time with my family members, uh, and moreover, um my father
He spends time with.
spends time with his friends.
Okay.
And lastly, he always talk with his little daughter.
Okay. Okay. Why didn't just example? Okay. Why didn't you answer my call? I called you twice in the morning at 9 o'clock. Why didn't you answer my call? What were you doing in the morning? At that time, I
Uh, my phone is silent
at
at
that time
that
I was no, no, don't say about phone's problem. Tell about you what you were doing. I was busy. I was sleeping, or I was having my breakfast. Whatever. Go ahead. Just example. It's not reality, brother. It's example. Why didn't you answer my call yesterday morning?
that time.
That time
That time I having my breakfast.
I was having my
I was
breakfast.
having my breakfast.
Okay. Uh, when does your father go to work?
Uh, my father goes to work at 7 o'clock.
Does your father go to work every single day?
Yes, my father goes to work every single day.
With whom does your father go to work?
My father goes to work alone.
How often does your father go to work in a week?
Uh, 6 days.
I asked this question already. My father goes to work 6 days in a week. Okay. Uh, what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Uh, I like to read storybooks like humans, animals, etc. And moreover, I watch YouTube videos like cricket videos, and I like Virat Kohli. And lastly, I like to do self study.
Right. Okay. I think it seems to me, although you are not fluent in English right now, you speak very good English. Having said that,